Welcome. Today I am with WIKO Y60 and I'm going to show you how you can connect Huawei earbuds, the wireless AM61. So the first you have to be sure that they are turned off, and next you have to click and hold this middle button. Let's make it. Click and hold it and take a look on the indicator. When it starts blinking on the red and the blue like that, you have to release that key and open Bluetooth settings on your WIKO. Click to pair new device and just wait until here we will get our AM61, so tap on them, accept pair by tapping right here, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.